Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change orientation of one page in PowerPoint. Let's start by opening PowerPoint. Here we will go to the Design menu, and there we click on Slide Size. After that, click on Custom Slide Size. Here in this window, check the portrait box in the orientation section. When you click OK, define the scaling to use. You can see that the slide orientation has been changed. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.